become one of the victims, you may feel embarrassed, anxious, scared, or depressed. Some victims lose confidence, avoid school or friends, and become afraid of using social media. In serious cases, it can affect a person's studies, relationship, and emotional well-being. To avoid this situation, we should think before we click, send, or share. Respecting someone's privacy is very important. If you experience cyberbullying or sexting, do not stay silent. Save the evidence, block and report the person, and ask help from trusted adults, teachers, parents, or authorities. Remember, speaking up is not weakness. It is protecting yourself. Some people may think these actions are harmless jokes, but online harassment can deeply affect a person's emotional and mental well-being. Victims often experience fear, stress, anxiety, embarrassment, and loss of self-confidence. In some cases, it may even affect their performance in school, relationships with others, and daily activities. To help prevent online harassment, everyone should practice responsible online behavior. Always think carefully before posting or commenting online because words can hurt even through a screen. Respect the privacy and opinions of others, and never share personal information, photos, or conversations without permission. It is also important not to support or participate in online bullying, even by simply reacting to or sharing harmful posts. For those who become victims of online harassment, it is important not to stay silent. Keep evidence such as screenshots, block and report the offender, and seek support from trusted adults, teachers, parents, or authorities. Asking for help is a brave step toward protecting yourself and stopping the harassment. The internet should be a place for learning, communication, and positivity. By showing kindness, respect, and responsibility online, we can help create a safer and more supportive digital environment for everyone.